Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can permanently close your Upwork account. So I'm just going to go to the website. You need to log in, obviously, and then we want to click on our profile icon right here. From here we want to select settings, and we need to go to this page, contact info. Now chances are you might not get access to this page. You might just keep getting referred to the password and security because Upwork requires you to set a security question. So if you keep getting referred to the security page, just set some security question. Okay, so from here we see the option close my account, but another thing which you need to pay attention to before closing it, you shouldn't have any active gigs and you shouldn't have qualified for any active gigs. Now if you meet that criteria and you haven't or you don't qualify for, you haven't applied for any active gigs, you can just press on this button, close my account. You can give them a little information about why you're closing your account, and then just press this button, close account, right here, and you can get rid of your account, Upwork account, permanently. I hope this video was useful. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time. Bye.